Hi there, this is Tina from ohsnapletsEat.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make Mongolian beef stir fry. Mongolian beef is a dish that consists of beef and onions. Contrary to its name, Mongolian beef is actually not from Mongolia. This tasty dish actually originates from Taiwan. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. For the beef marinade, you will need 1 pound of beef cut into strips or thinly sliced, ½ cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of honey or brown sugar, ½ teaspoon of ground ginger or fresh ginger that is minced. And for the rest of the stir fry, you will need 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 4 cloves of garlic, minced or roughly chopped, ½ an onion sliced, 2 green onions cut into 2-inch length, 2 tablespoons of soy paste, also known as thick soy sauce, and dried red peppers, which is optional but delicious. First things first, in a bowl or Ziploc bag, add beef with soy sauce, cornstarch, honey, and ground ginger, and mix well. Set aside to let it marinate for 30 minutes or up to overnight in the refrigerator. Heat cooking oil in a wok or cooking pan and then add the marinated beef along with the sauce into the pan and stir fry for about 2 minutes or until mostly brown, and then remove from heat and set aside. Back in the pan, if the pan is dry, you can add a little bit more oil. Then add the sliced onions, garlic, dried red peppers into pan and stir fry for about 2 minutes or until the onions start turning translucent. Add the beef back to the pan and stir fry for about 1 more minute. Then add the green onions and stir fry until everything is cooked thoroughly. Add thick soy sauce and mix well. Then remove from heat and serve. And that is how you make Mongolian beef stir fry. Remember to subscribe for more delicious Asian recipes.